True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, I'm in St. Elizabeth area, in the PJ Plain area. Yeah man, a lot of damage take place, a lot of damage go on, at the place man, a lot of damage. As you can see what go on, a lot of damage. Rooftop blow off and everything. Yeah man, I'm very close to the crossroad area, you know. A lot of damage. That's all I can say for the moment. St. Elizabeth get a heavy hit under hurricane here. Heavy hits. Yeah man, see it there. Remember them big tree on the crossroad area, PJ Plain. Them tree are tear down. Tear down my people. Tear down. Light post tear down. And this are going out there. So see what I go on at the gas station here. Show no what I go on. When you feel say, wow, who did take that storm lightly? Create a lot of damage at Jamaica, man. A lot of damage. People. A lot of damage. See there? Down utility pole. So you know a lot of place now get current for now. A lot of place now get no current. So we are heading towards the Flagman area. Flagman in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, we are heading towards the Flagman area. So we are going towards the Flagman area. Yeah, man. Video gonna be a bit kind of dark, but don't really watch the darkness. This is what take place in a Flagman area in St. Elizabeth. Church top they blow off. Who remember that church there? Church top blow off my people. You see the light pole them, most of the light pole them down at St. Elizabeth. So we now get back no current for now at St. Elizabeth. So I feel like say enough people are out of water and current for days. For days with people. Now gonna be a pretty look. Watch out them light poles sideways upon the dirt. And so I go on there in St. Elizabeth. See there? Seeing is believing. Remember back in the days, respect all the positive thoughts and everything. When a man can come up on the road and show you what go on a different country. That's some positive vibes we are dealing with. People that say, I wanna show up with era for. But at this I go on now in St. Elizabeth. People from overseas want to see what go on. St. Elizabeth get a big damage. See all that little shop up on the right, blow down. So this is one section of Flagman on the main road. Don't know what's taking place in bottom Flagman. So this is the turn off will take on also the bottom Flagman area. Yeah man, this will be the turn off. Catch there. Catch up with paper. Tree them tear down coconut tree. thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. This in the Flagman area, I think, heading towards the sea view, them place there. Look at this. No, me people, no, look here. You know, me I tell you, say, you know, pretty over that side there, you know. It not pretty. It not pretty. Look on the roof here, so. One of the roof is a tear off. It not pretty at St. Elizabeth. See it there? See, all of the house roof they tear off. Whole light tear off over there, so. Whole light tear off. Most of the people them, everybody I feel it, you know. Everybody I feel it, you know. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.